Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a fabulous recipe for peanut butter blondies. My blondie recipe was actually really popular. I was kind of surprised. So this is peanut butter blondies, and honestly, what a perfect combination. It is so delicious, so let's get started.
First of all, our ingredients. We need 3/4 cup or 170 grams of butter, 2 cups or 400 grams of brown sugar, 3/4 cup or 190 grams of peanut butter, 3 eggs, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract or 3 tablespoons vanilla sugar, 2 cups or 250 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, 1 1/4 cup or 200 grams of chocolate chips, which are optional. We start out by creaming the butter. Cream in the brown sugar and peanut butter. I'm using crunchy peanut butter, but you can use whatever you prefer. Make sure to scrape the bowl occasionally to make sure all the butter is incorporated. Beat in the eggs one at a time. Beat in vanilla, baking powder, and salt. Stir in the flour. Fold in chocolate chips. Spread batter into a lined 13 by 9 inch baking pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Remove from the form using the baking paper, cut into pieces. These peanut butter blondies are so delicious. They are dense and fudgy with the peanut butter flavor coming out perfectly. Because I used crunchy peanut butter, mine had little pieces of peanuts in it. Absolutely delicious. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.